Welcome to the demonstration of 32soft's Location Data Loader. This data loader was designed especially for QAD users who work with a large number of locations records in the QAD 1.1.18 menu. This efficient and productive tool allows you to download data from QAD into Excel spreadsheets, where you can easily manage locations details. Then quickly and safely upload your data into QAD. Let's take a look at how Location Data Loader can help you manage your location information with greater efficiency and accuracy. When we open the Data Loader, we see a familiar Excel spreadsheet with the addition of the Data Loader banner. The banner includes filtering options and action buttons, which allow us to download data from and upload data back to QAD. To get started, we need to select our database. We click the Setup button to find the appropriate database and select it. As many databases as are needed can be set up by the administrator in the data loader. Fields in the banner highlighted in yellow allow us to filter records by site, location, and status. Let's go ahead and enter a site. Once the filter parameters have been entered, we can select the Download button. As soon as we select any of the action buttons for the first time, a login screen appears. As with all 32soft data loaders, the Location Data Loader uses QAD authentication logic to validate user ID and password. This data loader validates that the user has access to menu 1.1.18 for upload and 1.1.19 for download and inquiry. Let's log in. The data is downloaded, and we now see all records that match the selection parameters we specified. Orange highlighted headers indicate key fields. A new combination will create a new location record in QAD. Green highlighted headers indicate fully writable fields, so we can edit the values in these columns. Gray highlighted headers are not updatable. They are for information only. For this demonstration, let's modify as well as add a few locations. To add new locations, we'll just copy and paste a few lines and then edit some of the fields. For new locations, we can leave the status and transfer ownership fields blank, and the default values will be used. Transfer ownership is updatable only when supplier consignment is activated. Once we have reviewed our data, we simply click the Upload button to send our data to QAD. A pop-up screen displays the status of the upload and will indicate whether our upload is successful or if our data contains any errors. Just like all 32soft data loaders, the Location Data Loader validates data in the cells against genuine QAD logic and will return an error message if inaccurate data is submitted, as in this case. When we encounter an error, we close the status window and correct the error before attempting to upload the data again. We can use the Find Error button to find and fix all errors in the file. Cells containing errors are highlighted in red. When we place the cursor in the cell, the reason for the error is displayed. We must correct all errors before resubmitting our data. Let's try to find the next error and fix it. Let's see if there's another error. There are no more errors, so let's try to upload again. This time the upload is successful. We can close the status window. We can verify that the locations updated correctly by downloading information again. And we can see the information was uploaded successfully to QAD. Another useful feature of this data loader is to review the inventory stock for a particular location. Simply select a location from any line and click the Inc. Stock button, and the 3.6.6 Inventory Detail by Location report will be displayed in a pop-up window. As demonstrated, this easy-to-use productivity tool makes it easy to manage a large number of locations from convenient Excel spreadsheets, and you can upload the data safely to QAD. 32soft's Locations Data Loader will increase your productivity, reduce errors, and significantly contribute to your bottom line. For more information about this and other productivity tools, or to start your free 60-day trial, email us at contact@32soft.com. And please be sure to visit our website to sign up for our free educational webinars, www.32soft.com. Thank you for your interest in our productivity tools and for watching this demonstration.